Here's day 2, problem 1. Identify the slope and y-intercept for the graph of y equals negative 1/4 x plus 3. When the equation is written in this form, where the letter y is alone, then the x term and constant term are to the right of the equals, the coefficient of x is the slope. So the slope is negative 1/4. And the constant term is the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is positive 3. With these two values, we can graph. Now my grid is not showing up too good here on the paper, but the y-intercept is 3. So on the y-axis at the third mark up, there's a dot. So 1, 2, 3, maybe there. Again, I can't really see the marks too good. And then the slope is negative 1/4. If we think of this as a rate of change between y and x, we can think of negative 1/4 as being the y value will decrease 1 unit as the x value increases by 4. If we assign this negative sign to go with the 1, then it does not go with the 4. So negative 1 is a decrease of 1, so down 1 unit on the y-axis, and then the positive 4 is an increase of 4 for the x-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I can't see the marks here, but down 1 over 4 is the other dot. And so here is the line. Okay, now day 2, problem 2. The table shows a person's weight during a dieting program. So we expect if the diet's successful that the weight should be decreasing. Assume the relationship is linear. Find the rate of change and initial value. So let's do rate of change first. How's the person's weight changing as time is going by? So from this row to this row, 2 months of time goes by, and in that 2 months, the weight is decreasing 4 pounds. So we can write that as negative 4 pounds in 2 months. We do need to reduce this, and so this is negative 2 pounds per month. Now the initial value. What was the person's weight to begin with before they started dieting? We're asked to figure out what is the weight when x is 0. And here x is 0, so whatever y is when x is 0 is the answer. It's 185.